Hi there. I'm just here to explain my note-taking system and how exactly uh, I have it working on OneNote. So these are two of my uh, notes that I took over here, John D. Rockefeller and Andrew Carnegie, um, both talking about basically the Industrial Revolution and the robber barons of that area. So Rockefeller link is right here on the article. So that takes you to, let's see, right here. Basically, it takes you to a history.com topics list. Um, will eventually load. There we go. So on the way down, we get to early years in family. So in each of these headlines, I put early years in family, Standard Oil, and late years of in philanthropy. So that's the three headlines that they have on here. As you can see, Standard Oil and philanthropy. And then it's the same for Andrew Carnegie. So Andrew Carnegie, family and final years, philanthropist, early life, and steel magnet, which is the same that I have for Andrew Carnegie, right there. And perfect.